Hindi pa binibigay sa akin kasi hindi pa daw ako ready. Chill lang muna ako. Okay.
Or parang God is writing your love story for you. And sobrang magiging maganda yung love story mo.
Sinabi nga ng mommy ko yan eh. Kasi she recently just got married again. And I was telling her, itong hinanakit ko. And she was like, wag mong madaliin. Kasi dadating yan. And you will know. Sabi ko, how do you know, ma? Sabi nga, basta, it'll feel right. Like, you don't have to explain it. Dadating siya when you least expect it. And then, kahit sabihin mo hindi ka ready, magiging ready ka. Because you know na, ito yung binigay ni Lord sa'yo. Sabi nga, I got married again after 24 years. And I've never seen her so happy. And na-inspire ako kasi parang, wow, I want that. Yung relationship nila ng stepdad ko. It's so cute, it's so pure, it's so refreshing to see. Iba talaga pag binamahal ka ng tama kasi you glow differently. Sabi ko, shit. So sinasabi mo ba sa akin, ma? Kailangan kong maghintay na maging senior citizen ako? Bago ko makita yung love of my life. So, sinasabi mo ba, maghihintay pa ako ng 30 years? Kaya ko pa ba? May asim pa ba ako nun? Diba?